It's been 6 months since I posted my last video. A couple things have changed. As you can see, I have a couple of extra dogs, I have a couple of extra cats, and I have a couple of extra house guests. Let me just say, filming with 4 dogs is quadruple hard. Filming with 2 dogs is hard enough, trying to keep them either in the room for continuity or out of the room because disappearing dogs look stupid in a video. But now I have 4 of them to try and clean my house and get work done. As you can see here, I am easily distracted. But today I am motivated. It's raining outside and I think I'm going to clean my whole house today. It's been so long since I filmed cleaning videos, I completely forgot to charge my camera batteries. Even though I have 3 of them, all 3 of them were dead from lying around for the last 6 months. Even though I plugged them in to charge when I got started today, it wasn't long enough to get through the next battery before it cut out again. So eventually I just gave up and quit filming. I did clean my whole house today, I just didn't film it. So today's video is just a really quick 6 minutes. This is Boy Kitty. His name is actually Smoke, but we have 1 boy and 1 girl, and they are identical, brother and sister. I mean, one is bigger, one is smaller, so I guess they're not technically identical. But I just call them Girl Kitty and Boy Kitty, so everybody else in my house just calls them the same thing. But their names are actually Ash and Smoke. This little fat guy in the corner is Snoop. He's always sat like that, little weirdo. This pile of stuff in my dining room hasn't actually been there for very long. I cleaned out my closet the other day and started cleaning up my office a little bit, and I took the walking pad from my little office area in my bedroom and moved it out here because I'm not really using it when I'm working. Even though I have one of those stand-up desks, it's actually really hard to type and use the mouse and do things like that. I don't have very many meetings where I can just walk during the meeting. I'm just always typing, always working. So I moved it out here thinking I was going to use it more instead of just sitting around watching TV. But knowing me, this is just a new place for it to collect dust. The boxes were just things I'd recently decluttered from my closet, and they're just being moved out into the garage where I'm going to keep them probably for the next 2 months until they get donated. The 2 white dogs are my daughters. The boy's name is Deuce and the girl is Nikki. My house is really old and these are the original windows, so they don't always open or close correctly, and when they do open, sometimes those windows slam down. After I made my dog gate, I had some spare wood, so I just cut like 3 and 4 inch pieces of wood to prop up the windows so they don't slam shut. I moved this soundbar out of the guest bedroom back in October when my daughter moved in, and it's just kind of been sitting here ever since. It doesn't work. I've tried it on 2 different TVs. I already have a new one that I got in the living room. I don't know why I kept it. Maybe because I just didn't want to get rid of something that might be good, but even though I've tried it on 2 different TVs, it still does the same thing. It plays no sound, so I'm finally just throwing it away. Does anyone have a dog or 4 that will sit at the door to go outside, but then you open it and they won't go? Outside? 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 As you can see, we're getting towards the end of the video. It's not a real long one because, like I said earlier, my batteries kept dying, and each time I'd put them on the charger, by the time the next one died, the next one wasn't charged enough, so eventually I just gave up and moved on. But if you've made it to this point in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I am trying to record more videos and start posting them again every single week. I certainly have a lot of cleaning content with all of the dogs and cats and people in my house now. It's just really time consuming to film and time consuming to edit. But I am going to try and make more of an effort to continue doing that because I really do love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great week.